Tummy time. You might have heard this word at various places, maybe in the mother's WhatsApp group, on the Facebook groups, in some of the mother's experiences, in mother's vlogs, blogs, in the newspaper articles, in the magazine, from the doctor's mouth. So what exactly is a tummy time? How to provide a tummy time to the baby? Till what age we have to continue? When to stop providing the tummy time? If child is not enjoying tummy time, then what you have to do? All these questions I am going to answer in this video, and at the end I am going to demonstrate how to provide a tummy time to the newborn baby on one of the toy. So watch this video till end, it will be useful to you. What is tummy time? Tummy time is nothing. Tummy time means just putting the baby on his tummy. That is a tummy time. What are the advantages of keeping the baby on the tummy? First and foremost advantage is while you are keeping the baby on the tummy, it will help to develop his neck muscle because child will able to lift the head, so it will kind of the exercise for the neck muscles, and it will help to develop his shoulder muscle, and it will help to develop his back muscle. So what happened that when child will grow, child will able to hold the neck properly, child will able to turn on the bed nicely, and maybe it will help to do the crawling as well. So tummy time has basically advantage over his muscular development or basically the brain development of the child. In some of the children whose head is flat from the back, the tummy time will help to maintain the shape of the head. Because what will happen that while child will be on a tummy time, head will be lifted up, so that the pressure over the back of the head will be less, so that child will be able to maintain the head shape. In some of the children who has extreme amount of the colic pain or the gas, tummy time is little bit helpful because it will act like the burping in the children. So that if you will provide a tummy time, there are various advantages. First and foremost, as I told you, it will help to develop the muscles and the muscular development of the child. It reduces the gas and the colic, and it will help to maintain the head shape. So we have to provide a tummy time to the child. Now next question will be when to start. You can start the tummy time immediately after birth as well. But child and mother should be comfortable. They should be alert and active. Then and then you can provide a tummy time to the child. Some of the parents may argue that there will be the umbilical cord and there will be the clamp over the umbilical cord. Whether it is good to provide a tummy time at that time? You can provide at that time also, but you can put some gauze piece there, or maybe you can put some cotton there so that child will not get hurt while providing the tummy time. And second thing, you have to maintain the hygiene while you are providing the tummy time. On umbilical cord, intact umbilical cord, you can provide the tummy time, no problem, you can do it. How to provide the tummy time? To provide the tummy time, first and foremost, the child should be on a firm, hard surface. It can be on the mat, it can be on the table, you can provide little bit small cloth on it, or it can be on the mother's abdomen also, or any relative's abdomen also. You can provide a tummy time without any problem. Which is the correct time to provide the tummy time? Ideally, tummy time should not be provided immediately after the feed, because child may regurgitate or may vomit out the milk, which can cause the aspiration in the children. So after 1.5 or 2 hours of the feeding, when child is alert, active and awake, at that time you should provide the tummy time. Baby and mother both should be alert and awake. If mother is feeling sleepy, then she should not provide the tummy time. While you are providing the tummy time, mother should be always with the baby, because the child has not still developed the neck or the back muscle. So if his head will be stuck into the mat or the clothes which you have provided, then his respiration can be get stopped and it can create the emergency. So whenever you are providing the tummy time to the baby, you have to always be there, or one of your relative always to be there with the baby. Don't just keep the baby in the tummy time position and go to the kitchen, otherwise it can cause a problem. How frequently in a day you can provide a tummy time? When you are starting the tummy time, you can provide it once or twice. To begin with, go always slowly. Give for the few minutes, like the half a minute or a 1 minute. See how the baby enjoys that one. And then the next session, maybe you can increase it a bit more. Maybe you can do 2 minutes, then the 3 minutes, then 4 minutes. Like that you have to increase. And when you have to stop the tummy time, once child will start showing the discomfort, he is getting irritated, then yes, you should stop that session of the tummy time. Till what age we have to provide a tummy time to the child? Tummy time you can provide up to 5 to 6 months of the age. Why it is like that? By 5 to 6 months of the age, child generally develop the sitting position, or maybe he is turning in the bed. So that even if you are providing the tummy time, there is not much benefit of it because he has already developed his muscles. Okay friends, I hope this information must be clear to you. Now I will show you how to provide a tummy time to the baby on one of the toy. Now we will demonstrate how to provide the tummy time to the baby. First and foremost, the surface should be firm so that baby doesn't go into the surface. Otherwise, child may stop the respiration and he find difficulty in the breathing. Now we will take the baby, and you always support the neck while you put the baby on the tummy. If you will not support the neck, then the baby's head will be get fall. Now you will put the baby over the surface. First and foremost, you will adjust baby's leg so that baby's bum should rest on the surface. Then you will adjust the baby's hand. You will adjust the hand so that baby's hand should reach up to the baby's cheek. Then you will turn baby's neck little bit so that baby can breathe easily. In this position, you can keep the child as per his convenience. You can start initially for few seconds and slowly you can increase. You can see nicely baby's bum is resting on the surface, baby is on his tummy, baby's legs are around his cheek, and baby's nose is open so that he can breathe. Now if the baby stays in this position, so that he will try to lift his head by his neck, so that his neck muscles will become strong and his shoulder muscle will also become strong. This position will help the baby to turn on his back as well as on the tummy, and this position will also help to baby to crawl. Thank you very much. I am sure that this information must be useful to you and you will able to do the tummy time easily in your child. Still, if you have any queries, questions, comments, you can put in my comment box. If you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends, share with parents so that they also can provide a tummy time to their children. And if you are first time on this channel, please subscribe as well. Thank you very much.